specifically on call for home visits. Radio 2.
The songs that defined their times. The people's songs. I'm Stuart McConey, and on Wednesday we journey through more than 50 years of modern British history. By the early 90s, a new sound was emerging from the Midlands. A strong Asian sound, which went on to influence British popular culture and music.
It wasn't just an Asian artist in the charts, there was an Asian artist in the charts who was singing a song which had a connection to what we identified with.
Artists such as Corner Shop, MIA and Asian Dub Foundation.
And power supplies had not been interrupted. In southwest England, heavy rain has caused flooding. Rescue teams in the Cornish town of Loo are searching for a woman they believe.
Melody, 'cause maybe there's a symphony caught inside, but there's no way out. And the sky is falling down and there's an angel on the ground. It's getting colder. I'm standing looking down, there's not a sound around the town. It's getting colder. Everything is too extreme. We'll wait and see.